What's up, guys? Ryan from the MXG channel back, trying to get over a cold. First of all, I want to say congratulations to Team USA. Finally, I can take like a deep breath. We finally got a win at the MX of Nations after an 11-year slump. So congrats to those guys. They did great. I didn't think they were going to win in the mud. I thought they would for sure win unless it rained, and it did rain, and they still pulled it out. Crazy clutch ride by Justin Cooper. So pretty excited about that. But the biggest news for me this last weekend at the Nations race was the Triumph announcement. I've done a couple videos talking about how the Triumph rumors and the Triumph and talking about some theories and how they were driving me crazy. I'll put those videos down in the description if you want to go check them out. But I had some theories that maybe Triumph was developing an electric bike because, you know, gas is not going away anytime soon, but it is in the outward phase. Kawasaki's already announced they're not going to produce any bikes after 2035. Sounds like it's a long way away. It's really not. And I thought it seemed crazy for a company that's never been in the motocross and off-road segment to jump in, and it seems like to me by the time they get a unit really dialed in, gas will be on its way out. And how could they compete with 40 years of R&D from the Japanese? Well, apparently Triumph's going to do it, because they announced at the Moto of Nations that they are going racing in the 2024 MXGP Championship in the MX2 class. They're going to run a 250cc four-stroke machine. This really surprised me. They also made some comments that this bike is new from the ground up, which kind of confirms what I've been told by multiple people, is that it's not any kind of KTM agreement or Suzuki agreement or any kind of clone. It's a new bike from the ground up, which I think is absolutely fantastic if that's what they're doing. I just don't see how it's possible to do that and be competitive right off the bat. But I can't wait to see what they have. Ricky Carmichael, you know, he did some interviews and did some talks at the announcement about how he is 100% confident in this bike, and he's helped them develop it. They made all the changes that he's requested, and he is confident in its ability to be competitive and even win. That is a bold statement. Now, why are they racing MXGP first? That's going to be because of production rules. That's what Beta has been doing with their new 450 RX for the last, year or two. There's no production rules, so they can kind of run whatever they want and then kind of tweak it and change it and really use the MXGP series to get the bike dialed in before they bring it to the US and do production rules. Now, Triumph also said that they're going to come behind that 2020 or 2024 unveiling with a 2025 450cc motocrosser that's going to compete in the 2025 MXGP racing as well. And then so we can hope soon after that we can hope to see the Triumph bikes in the US. So if to me, if everything goes as planned, maybe 2024, 2025 Supercross, we could see a 250 in the US. And I don't know. I wish Triumph all the best. All I want to say to Triumph is, you guys have been talking a lot. You've been teasing a lot. Show us a part of the motorcycle. You don't have to give us all the specs. Give us a picture. Give us a render. Show us a shot of the motor. Show us something. Because you got Ricky Carmichael sitting up here, at MX of Nations talking about his confidence in the bike being able to win, and we're only showing the bike under a bike cover. You know, we've seen nothing, not a piece of plastic or anything. Now, as far as what Triumph, what they said regarding that, they said they will be announcing, more on the bike, details, photos, in due course. Who knows what that means? The only date I have in my head at all is a video that Rado from Dirt and Iron put out that said that someone told him we might get to see this bike in November. I would be super surprised if we do see the bike in November if they're not racing until the 2024 MX2 series, but that'd be great if we did. They need to start doing something. So anyway, super excited. Throw all my electrical theories out the door. Throw all out everybody else's theories about KTM partnerships out the door. This is a ground up motorcycle from Triumph. I'm pumped. We need every brand we can get. Triumph and Beta, we want you both in motocross. Thanks for coming aboard. I'm Ryan with the MXG channel. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. Appreciate y'all. See you in the next video.